Welcome to a lesson on how to construct a dot plot, as well as other statistical measures of a dataset. A dot plot is a way to graphically represent data. It is normally best for small sets of data, and it shows the individual data points clearly. We're given the number of hours 12 students played video games in one day, which are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4 hours. Let's make a dot plot for this data. We first sketch a horizontal number line that must go from at least 0 to 4 by ones. Next, we label the horizontal axis as hours of video game play. Now we make a dot above the number line for each data value. Because there are two zeros, we place two dots above the 0. Because there are two ones, we place two dots above the 1. Because there are four twos, we place four dots above the 2. Because there are three threes, we place three dots above the 3. And because there's 1, 4, we place one dot above the 4. Each data value has its own point or dot in a dot plot. Now while we're here, let's also find some other statistical measures of the data. Let's begin by determining the mode. The mode is the data value that occurs the most, or the most common data value, which we can see from either the list or the dot plot. The mode is 2. This is where most of the dots are stacked. The range measures the spread of the data. The range is the maximum value minus the minimum value. In this case, the range is 4 minus 0, which is 4. This is more helpful when we're comparing multiple sets of data. And now let's determine two measures of center. Let's first determine the median. The median is the data value in the middle when the data values are ordered from least to greatest, which they already are, but because we have 12 data values, there's two data values in the middle. When this occurs, we take the mean of the two middle values, which still gives us a median of 2. This indicates 50% of the data is below or equal to 2, and 50% of the data is above or equal to 2. And let's also determine the mean, another measure of center. The mean is the same as the average. To determine the mean, we add the data values and divide by the number of data values, which is 12. The mean is approximately 1.92. I hope you found this helpful.